Hello everybody, I am here at my house on the mini split that I use to heat and cool my office. Wanted to take you around and check a couple things, see it actually live in action. So this is a little 9000 BTU 1-to-1, and this is a single board setup, single control board with the IPM portion of the board right here. Diode bridge is right here, and I've already taken all the electrical loose that we're going to end up checking. This is for the fan motor. And this is going to be your pipe sensors. And this is going to be your outdoor air temperature sensor. And this is going to be your expansion valve. This is a choke coil. It is in the starting circuit. It is to help alleviate starting current, high starting current. Then your compressor is here, rotary style, right here. And then back in there is where the accumulator is. Then continuing around, then you've got a little bitty baby reversing valve, four-way valve. Then back in here is where the expansion valve is. Then of course you have your dual gas line, and then your expansion slash liquid line here that goes on up to the line hide that goes to the attic. Then it goes on into the indoor space. Obviously you got your fan motor here. So got the meter set up so you can see. Got my needle points on already right here. First thing, make sure the camera doesn't fall over. Then the second thing, it's a little bit windy out here. Second thing is we're going to start with the fan motor. So the fan motor wires are going to go like this. So black is the DC common, so that's where you're always checked to. And obviously each manufacturer is a little bit different, but a lot of these are the same. So the red is the high voltage DC. The black is going to be the DC common. The white is the module for the ECM motor. Then you're going to have a speed command and a feedback to tell it what speed it's running at. So you're going to simply do what the manufacturer tells you to do, which is we're going to ohm it out. We're going to go to black to everything. So start by going black to red, and then we should get a reading as long as I get in there well. And the specs on this motor, this is going to be usually 300 kiloohms or higher. If I can actually get in it, would help. Alright, so it is showing open, which is fine. It is open. Now let's move on. Try one more time. If not, move on. Alright, so take black and then move on. Okay, 56K. Next. 89K. And then final should be mega ohms or higher, which it is. And for those of you that struggle with these plugs, that is a trick. Is take one hand, I'm right-handed, so I will always put the one that I'm using for my right hand, I'm going to put it in there and hold it, and I'm going to hold pressure on it and then use my left hand to move. Okay, so now we've checked the fan motor. Now we're going to check the pipe thermistors. So same thing. These are done in pairs together with one another. So you got to get it to where, first of all, where you can get down in there. And if that's the case, then you're going to need to trap it, like we just talked about, trap it against the frame. Then take the reading there. All right, 81K. Then let's check the next set. You got to jump over 83K for the pipe. Then we're going to go to the outdoor air. So we're going to do the same. You're going to trap it here. Get the pins down in there. 16K. Very good. Then the expansion valve. So what you're going to do there is on this one, it's a 5-wire unipolar motor. So we're going to do the same. We're going to go red to everything. So red to blue, 43, red to orange, 44, red to yellow, is going to be 43. Then red to white is going to be 44. Then we're going to take it to the chassis ground over here, and then you're going to check each one of them to ground. And you're looking for open line on the highest scale that your meter has. Okay, which it is. And we got 3 more to go. That's that. Then there, and last one. Okay, so expansion valve motor is good. So now we're going to do the compressor. I'm going to take the leads off here, and then we're going to go here. Open this up. See it? And we're going to go terminal to terminal here. Remember, it's going to ohm out like a 3-phase compressor. Get this. 2.7. 2.8. And the last two are going to be 2.8. And then each to a good chassis. See if I can get it to where to relocate. Here to chassis ground. Struggling here. There we go. Okay, open, then open, then open. Okay, so now we've checked out all the components. Everything looks okay. Keep in mind that on some of these units they have fuses in here. That one will protect the indoor units and wiring. That one's going to protect the main control board. And if you look down in there, you can see some chokes. You can also see all the connectors for the reversing valve and any of the other stuff that you want to check. Next, we're going to go ahead and check some stuff on the back side of the board. So let me get everything hooked back up, and then I will show you how to do that.